Hello and welcome to assignment CC, the second page, page 302. In this set of exercises, we're to find x and y given that each pair of polygons is similar. So to solve for the missing sides, we just have to set up corresponding ratios. For number one, we have triangles, and if we know that the 8 corresponds with the 12, that's going to be our connecting ratio, which will allow us to solve for x and y. I'm going to set up a ratio of 12 to 8. Okay, and then first I'm going to solve for x. So we see that the x side goes with the 9 side, and so our ratio is going to be 9 over x. And then it's a matter of cross multiplying and solving. 9 times 8 is 72. 12 times x is 12x. Divide both sides by 12, and x is 6. So that solves for x. To solve for y, I'm still going to use that same ratio of 12 to 8. The y side goes with the 10 side, so it's going to be a ratio of y over 10. Crisscross multiply, 12y equals, that is rather an 8y. Let's fix that. 8y is equal to 120. Dividing both sides by 8, y comes out to be 15. Alright, and then number 2 is going to go by a little bit quicker. The ratio is simply 10 to 5, which is 2 to 1. This first polygon is twice the length of any side of the second one. So if 10 is twice 5, then something y here is twice 2.5. Well, if we just take 2.5 times 2, we will get 5. Y is 5 without even setting up a ratio. And then the second side here that we have in order to find x, this x is exactly 1/2 of 4.5, or you can also think of it as 4.5 twice x. So if we simply divide 4.5 by 2, we will get x. 4.5 divided by 2 is 2.25. Now number 3, the ratio we're going to use is this 12 and this 18. It's going to help us solve for everything. 12 over 18. I'm going to do something to shortcut this a little bit. I can reduce 12 and 18. 6 goes into 12 2 times. 6 goes into 18 3 times. My ratio is 2/3. The first one is 2/3 the second one. So in order to solve for x, 2 over 3 is equivalent to 18 over x. And then we can cross multiply. If I take 18 times 3, I get 54. And then 2 times x is 2x. Divide both sides by 2. 54 divided by 2 is 27. Solving for y, I'm still going to use that same ratio of 2 to 3. Y plus 1 this time over 24. Cross multiply, I get 48 equal to 3y plus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides. 45 equals 3y. Divide both sides by 3. Y is 15. Okay, our last set of polygons, 2 triangles. I'm going to use the ratio of 40 over 30, which reduces to 4 over 3. It's a simpler ratio to use. Okay, so let's solve for x first. 4 over 3. Do this side compared to this side. X compared to 18. X over 18. 3 times x is 3x. And 18 times 4 gives us 72. And then if we divide both sides by 72, we get 24. So x is 24. For y, same ratio, 4 to 3, 36 to y. See how that matches up? We got the 40 to 30 and the 36 over y. Okay, and then if we got 4y, 4 times y, 3 times 36 gives us 108. And then 108 divided by 4, 27. And there you go.